Well, keeping mum on the details of the case is the Indian government. So far, the only information making rounds is the one revealed by the Italian probe report. But External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid has defended it, saying that the Italian government has asked for secrecy. He spoke to Suhasini Haidar.
Mr. Khurshid, the Italian court has already said that it will not be handing over its documents to the Indian government. Can you confirm just how much, just what they've said in fact?
Well, I don't have the details available with me, but I know that they have emphasized the system of secrecy that they follow, and have said that at this stage it will not be possible for them to share what they have on their records with anyone. Forget about India, with anyone. I think this will explain why India took time to act on what was just a newspaper or media information. You can't do anything on media information. You need hard evidence or you need documentation available. Still not available to us, so we have to continue trying. Courts are autonomous, the courts are independent, and they will decide in due course. I would imagine that we would have similar replies from them because their system would equally be autonomous and independent. And I hope that that within the autonomy and independence they have, that there will be some method and some process by which we can seek information. We cannot take an informed decision about what is the best next step for us to take unless we have this information.
Because as you pointed out, Mr. Khurshid, the allegation is that your government is dragging its feet. The fact remains that the case itself pertains to laws that are broken in India.
We don't know whether the criminal acts were committed in India, on Indian soil. We also don't know whether the criminal acts will automatically make Indians, if they happen to be Indians, indictable in our country. That all, frankly, will depend on the facts, and there are not enough facts known. If one country goes to the extent of arresting some person on a charge that, in a sense, reflects on the outcome here in India, then we would be justified in letting the CBI proceed into an investigation, which is what we have done. But we've done on the basis of irrefutable facts. Facts such as these were not available to us earlier, and therefore we didn't act earlier.